office assistant, grand test 48 ma, regarding quantitative aptitude section. Now 41 to 45 ma, number series questions are given ma. What will comes in the place of the question mark ma? 25, 30, 20 ma. Here ma series ma 25 to 30 ma plus 5 extra, 30 to 20 ma minus 10, here ma plus 20 ma. So difference was becoming double alternate ma, plus minus plus, next should be minus 5 double 10 double 20, so double 40, 40 minus 40 ma 0, 0 nothing but ma option D, option D, right ma. Next ma 15 8 9 ma, here 15 8 9 15 32 ma. Here ma 15 to 8 ma first ma decrease, it is ma into 0.5, 15 into 0.5 plus 0.5, 8 into 1 plus 1 ma, into 1 plus 1, 9 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 1 plus 1, 9 into 1 and half ma, 9 into 1 and half nothing but 13.5 plus 1.5 ma. So next should be into 2 plus 2, so obviously next should be into 2.5 plus 2.5 ma, into 2.5 plus 2.5 ma, 32 into 2 and a half ma, 64 plus 16 ma, 80 plus 2.5 ma, 82.5 nothing but ma, option C ma, option C 0.5. Next 5 7 11 ma, here difference ma 2, here difference is 4, here difference is ma 8, difference was becoming ma double, 2 4 8, next should be 16, 19 plus 16 ma 29 35, option B ma, option B. Next 1089 360 117 36 9 ma, it is exactly multiple but here not multiple ma, here now. But if you observe from back ma, series was increasing order ma, 360 into 3 ma, 360 into 3 1080 plus 9 extra there ma. Here also ma 117 into 3 351 plus 9 extra, same 36 into 3 plus 9 extra, here also ma 9 into 3 27 plus 9. So from back ma into 3 plus 9 ma, into 3 plus 9 means it should be 0. If it is 0 ma, 0 into 3 ma, 0 plus 9 ma, so option C ma 0, 0. Next ma 2 4 12 60 ma, here ma 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, these are my prime numbers ma, 2 3 5, next should be 7 ma, 60 into 7 ma, 6 7 ma 42, 420, option E ma, option E ma 420. Next 46 to 50 ma, approximate values ma, not exact ma, 352.98 ma, take it as ma 353, here ma take it as ma 467, 19.87 ma 20% ma, 20% of 600 nothing but ma, it is entire value ma 120, 840.9 ma, roughly 841 ma, 840 29 square ma, it is what 29, 29 ma. Now 350 4 750 810 820 minus 120 ma, 820 minus 100 700 at 29 plus out ma, 729 is nothing but ma 27 square, 27 square into option C ma, option C. Next ma 487.87 minus under root lo chama, under root lo, this one ma take it as ma 74, 74 ma 10.11 అనుకుంటే మా 11 square ma 121, it is ma 488 ma, 488 ma, so 699.9 ma take it as ma round of value ma 700, 700 ma, and into 4 ఉంది ma, ఇక్కడ into 4 ma, so 488 minus 121 ma, 8 minus 1 ma 767, 367 371 441 ma, 441 into 4 ma, into 4 for percent ma 0 cancel ma with 7 ma, here ma 7, it is under root ma 441 nothing but under root lo kabatti 21 ma, 21 into 4 ma 7, 3 times 3 fourths 12, 12 ante option B ma, option B, right ma. Next 168.8 ma 169 అనుకుంటే ma 169 అంటే 13 ma 13, it is ma 13 plus 14, here ma 16 ma 4, 4 minus 2 ma 2, 27 into 2 ma 54, option A. Next ma it is 11,999 ma, take it as ma 12,000, 12,000. 54.9 ma, roughly take it as ma 55 ma. 55% is nothing but ma. So 55%, 50% plus 5% ma. 900 plus 90 ma, it is 990 ma. It is 990 minus 990 minus 390 ma. 990 minus 390 nothing but ma 600 ma. It is ma 1 by 9th. 1 by 9th of 9900 nothing but ma, it is 1100 ma. So 1100, 990 minus 390 ma 600 plus 600 becomes so minus 1100 minus 600 ma 500 ma. So 12,000 by 500 ma. 12,000 by 500 ma, double zero will get cancelled ma. 24, 24 nothing but ma option E ma. Option E, right ma. Next. Here ma 86.02% of this one ma, round of value ma, take it as ma 250. 250 percentage means ma 200% plus 50% ma. 86, 86 ma 172 plus 43 ma 175 and 215 ma 215. It is ma this value, take it as ma 2, that is ma 12 ma. So 12 by 2 nothing but ma 6. 215 plus 6 ma. It is, we can take it as ma 11. Plus 11 becomes ma minus ma 221 minus 11 ma 210 ma 210. Next. What value comes in the place of question mark ma? These are my exact values ma. So question mark by 6084 ma, 6070 49 ma, 80 square ma 60 ma. So near to 80 ma, so 78 ma, near 78 because last it is ma 4. So some x anukuntena ma, x by 78 plus 1. 24% of 750 ma, 20% plus 4% ma, 25% minus 1. 75 75 150 plus 30 ma 180. 1521 ma nothing but ma 20, 1521 ma 30, 40 square ma 1600 ma 37 square ma, it is sorry 39 square ma 39 square 39 into 2 ma 39 into 2 ma 78. 180 minus 78 ma 102 minus 1 ma 101. So 101 into 78 ma 101 into 7 ma, so 7800 plus 7 7878. Option B. Next ma mixed fractions ma. Here ma first see the normal numbers ma. 4 minus 6 nothing but ma minus 2 అటువైపు plus 3 plus 2 ma 5. 5. Now 8 to 10 40 ma, all are the values of 40 ma. If you take it as ma 40, take it as ma 40, 19 plus 8 becomes as minus ma 8 5 ma 5 3 is 15. 10 4 ma 4 7 is 28 minus becomes for plus 28 ma. So it is 428 ma 32 by 40 32 by 8 4 8 5 ma 5 4 by 5 ma 5 4 by 5 nothing but ma option E. Option E ma 5 4 by 5. Next. Question mark of 2 by 3 into 40320 ma 11520. So that will become 11520. 11520 into 3 by 2 into 40320 ma. To take ma becomes ma reverse ma. Now any cancellation ma, if you observe ma here, this 0 will get cancelled ma. 2 5s, 2 7s are 14, 2 6 ma 576 into 3 ma 576 into 576 ma, we can cancel ma like 8 5s, 8 4s, 8 7 50 72 into 3, 72 exactly 7 times ma 3 by 7 ma option E. Option E ma 3 by 7. Next. 34.5% of question mark ma 299 divided by 0, it will becomes 299. 3 1 the 3 plus 2 ma 5 by 3 becomes as ma into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 ma. It will become ma 25 40 59.5 ma 59 and half 3 times ma nothing but ma 150 177 178.5 178.5 ma. Roughly see through options or normal way ma. So which options to 34.5 178 and 34? If you take the first option ma 30% means 156, 4 percentage means ma 170. Nearly we are getting more. Obviously option A 520 ma. Next. 32 square ma, it is 1024 ma 1024 24 some x square by 37 becomes as my into nothing but ma 0 56 5 24 2960 ma 240 2960 minus 1024 ma becomes as a minus 60 minus 24 ma 36. It is ma 29 minus 10 ma 1936. X square ma 1936 19 last digit is 6 ma last digit is 6 and obviously all are indicating ma 4 40 square ma 1600. So obviously answer should be above 40 ma above 40 means for 44 44 ma right ma. Next 49% of some x mark is equals to by doing the squaring on both sides ma squaring on both sides square root value end of ma square root value పోతుంది ma so that is what 28 square and obvious గా ఈ రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది ma ఇది 28 into 28 ma ఇటు వెళ్తే మైనస్ మా 28 కామన్ సో దట్ సైడ్ విల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ మా 28 into 14 ఇటు 49% మా 49 by 100 into some x ma now we can cancel ma 7 table easy 7 fours 7 sevens 7 twos ma so 4 twos ma 800 ma 800 ma option b ma 800. Next 8% of 125 ma 125 reverse చూసినమా it is this as take it as ma 5 by 4 4 twos nothing but ma 10 into some x percent of 120 we can take it as ma x into 6 by 5 also we can take it as equals to 420 ma 5 twos 12 tens sorry 420 ma sorry 420 and 12 3s are 36 60 ma 12 5s 35 ma 35 option a ma 35. Next 33 under root of 3364 minus 32 ma 3364 50 square ma 2500 about 20 ma last it is this so nothing but 50 52 means near 58 minus 32 ma that is 58 minus 32 ma 26 but root ఉంది కాబట్టి 26 square your answer ma 26 square ma 676 option C ma 676. Next ma question mark by 22.4 plus under root of 5776 ma so 80 below 80 ma 70 square ma 14 and above 70 so above 70 and below 80 ma 75 square ma 5625 ma so above ma obviously it is ma 76 76 ma then ma 4.7 into 4.7 into 20 ma 47 2s ma 94 nothing but ma 94 minus 76 ma 80 14 18 ma 18 so 18 into 22.4 ma last digit is 2 but all options are there ma 18 4s are 72 ma 2 7 balance 36 plus 7 ma 43 3 ma obviously option b ma 18 to the 36 plus 4 ma 403 option b. Next ma 784 ma nothing but it is a 28 square ma so this value 28 it is ma 48 into 28 ma double of that ma so balance the minus chese 672 ma so 672 is equals to root question mark into 32 32 to 64 32 once ma 21 square under root lo undi but 21 square ma 441 option E ma 441 right ma. Next ma A is 40% more efficient than B while C is 20% less efficient than B. If A and B together can do a piece of work in ma 12 days ma. Now he was talking about ma efficiencies ma A, B, C ma. A is 40% more than B, C is 20% less than A. For example, if B efficiency is 100 ma, A efficiency will be 140, C will be 20% lesser than B, nothing but ma 80 ma. 80 so 24s 25s 27 ma. Their efficiencies are in the ratio ma 7 is to 5 to 4 and A and B together can do a work in 12 days ma combined గా 12 days to చేస్తారు combined efficiency ma 12 parts every day 12 parts అలా 12 days to finish చేస్తారు and total work ma 12 into 12 nothing but ma 144 units total work ma 144 units ma but question asking then find in how many days B and C will complete same work చేయాలని B and C ma so this 144 units B and C కలిసి చేయాలి అంటే every day ma 9 ma so 144 by 9 9 ones are 9 9 6 are 16 days ma. 16 days option C ma. Option C 16 days. Next, two vessels contain milk and water in the ratio of 5:3 and 7:5 respectively. Is liters ma, is liter ma. L. 24 liters and 36 liters of mixture from the first and second vessel respectively are taken out and mixed in another vessel D, which already contains same quantity of the mixture of milk and water in the ratio 3:1 ma. So if new ratio of milk and water vessel D becomes 9:5, then find the initial ma, initial quantity of the mixture in vessel D ma, initial quantity of D. ఇనీషియల్ గా D లో 3:1 రేషియోలో ఉన్నాయి అంటే 4 పార్ట్స్ మా. అండ్ ఆబ్వియస్ గా ఆప్షన్ షుడ్ బి 4 మల్టిపుల్ ఉండాలి. సో 4 మల్టిపుల్, ఇది కూడా 4 మల్టిపుల్ మా. ఆల్ ఆర్ 4 ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్షన్ ఈ, ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్షన్ ఈ మా, రిమైనింగ్ ఆర్ 4 మల్టిపుల్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ మా ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫస్ట్ మా, ఫస్ట్ క్యాన్ నుంచి 24 లీటర్స్ మా, దాంట్లో 5:3 రేషియో 8 పార్ట్స్ మా. 8 3 టైమ్స్ అంటే మిల్క్ అండ్ వాటర్ మా, మిల్క్ అండ్ వాటర్ మా. సో 8 3 టైమ్స్ కాబట్టి 5 3s 15, 3 3s 9. From second can ma, from second can 7:5 ratio ma, 36 ma. 12 parts equal 36 అంటే 1 ma, అంటే ఇక్కడ 21, ఇక్కడ 15. ఆల్రెడీ D లో మిల్క్ అండ్ వాటర్ ఇన్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ మా 3:1 లో ఉన్నాయి. యాజ్ పర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ తీసుకుంటే ఇఫ్ యు టేక్ ద 24 లీటర్స్, ఇఫ్ యు టేక్ ద 24 లీటర్స్ మా, సో 4 6 24 మా, అంటే 18 6 ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్టెడ్ మా. ఇప్పుడు ఇవి రెండు యాడ్ అయ్యాయి, ఎంత యాడ్ అవుతున్నాయమ్మా, 15 + 21 మా, ఇక్కడ 36 యాడ్ అయినట్టు, మిల్క్ 9 + 15 మా, 24 యాడ్ అయినట్టు, ఇక్కడ 24 యాడ్ అయినట్టు, ఇట్ ఈస్ 30, ఇట్ ఈస్ 54. యాడ్ అయిన తర్వాత వీ హ్యాడ్ టు గెట్ మా 9:5 రేషియో. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రేషియో దట్ ఈస్ సూటబుల్ మా, చెక్ దట్ మా. 6 9s 6 5s 9:5 ma, clearly satisfying. So obviously option A ma, option A is the answer, right ma. Next, 63 ma. A man invested some amount in a scheme at simple interest and got 36% more amount in return ma. So simple interest లో ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తే 36% ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చింది, అండ్ ఆబ్వియస్ గా 36% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తున్నట్టు మా. సో ఇఫ్ ఇన్ ద స్కీమ్ రేషియో బిట్వీన్ ద న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అండ్ టైమ్ పీరియడ్ మా, R and T ma, 4:1, then find the interest received by the man when a man made investment of 12,500 ma in the same scheme and the same rate and same period ma. హియర్ మా డైరెక్ట్ గా ఉంది మా, ఇనీషియల్ సెంటెన్స్ మోర్ వస్తున్నాయి అంటే ఆబ్వియస్ గా 36% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తున్నట్టు, 36% వాల్యూ అంటే వి రిక్వైర్ 36% ఆఫ్ 12,500 మా. 36% ఆఫ్ 12,000, 36% మా, 30% 6% మా, 1250 3 టైమ్స్ అంటే మా 3750 అండ్ 6 అడిషనల్ గా 6% మా, 125 6 టైమ్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ మా 750. So 45, option C ma, option C ma, 45. Next, a boat covers 11.2 kilometers in downstream in 48 minutes. If the ratio to the speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream is 3:1, then find what time will cover 42 downstream and 40 in and upstream ma. సో బిగినింగ్ సెంటెన్స్ నుంచి మా మనకి ఇచ్చాడు డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ లో కవర్ అయ్యే డిస్టెన్స్, కవర్ అయ్యే టైం. మరి దాని నుంచి డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ మా, ఫ్రమ్ దట్ మా యూ విల్ గెట్ మా డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ నథింగ్ బట్ మా డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం. 11.2 అది మినిట్స్ ఉందమ్మా, మినిట్ టు అవర్స్ అంటే బై 60, 48/60 నథింగ్ 4/5 బికమ్స్ యాజ్ మా 5/4, 5/4 మా, 4 2s 30 మా, 2.8 into 5 మా, 10 and 14. Downstream speed 14, but speed of the boat in still water to stream 3:1 ratio అంటే 4 parts is 14 మా. ఇవి రెండు యాడ్ చేసి డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ మా, డిఫరెన్స్ అయితే స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ మా. 2 parts is 7, the downstream speed, upstream speed. But question asking what is the time taken ma, time 42 downstream లో with 14 speed and 42 upstream లో with 7 speed. 7 6 14, 3 6 plus 3 ma 9 hours ma, 9 hours ma, option C, option C, right ma. Next, ratio between the age of Veer and Samir 6 years ago ma, Veer and Samir 6 years ago 3:7 and 6 years hence will be 5:9. Ratio between the present ages of Veer and Samir ma. So if you observe ma, 3 5 2 parts increase ma, 7 9 కూడా 2 parts increase. 6 years back 6 years అయితే overall గా 12 years. So 2 parts increasing for 12 years. 2 parts means 12 years. One part will be 6 years. We require the information of ratio between present days of. Take anyway the first ratio or second ratio. If you take the first ratio, as per first one, 6 threes 18, 6 sevens are 40. If you put 6 years back, present, plus 6 24 plus 6 48. What is the ratio ma? 1 is to 2. Ratio ma 1 is to 2. Option D ma 1 is to 2. Right ma? Next. A and B enter into partnership. A and B enter into partnership business by investing total amount of 12,500. If at the end of the 6 months B withdraw 500 from his total investment and got a profit of 4250 out of total profit of 12250 at the end of the year, then find the investment of B. Find the investment of B. Now, here ma ఎంటైర్ ఇయర్ ఎండ్ లో 12,250 వచ్చింది. దాంట్లో ఆల్రెడీ బి గాట్ 4,250 అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ ఏకి వచ్చినట్టు. 12,250 4,250 పోతే బ్యాలెన్స్ 8,000 మా. అంటే వాళ్ళ ప్రాఫిట్స్ రేషియో 8,000 is to 4,250. ఎనివే 0 క్యాన్సిల్ మా. 25 3 జా 75, 25 2s, 25 ones, 75 25 sevens. Well, profits are in the ratio 32 is to 17 loan. But question asking what is the initial investment of? We can go through option verification ma. As per ma, A and B entered with in a total amount of 12,500. Total 12,500 lo as per first option prakaramu B 4150 aitru ba. As per first option ma, at the end of 6 months B withdraws 500 from the business. And question asking what do they find the investment of B ma. So as per first option ma, if B is 4150, balance should be A ma. So 12,500 లో 4150 పోతే ఎంత మా? ఇంకా 8,350 మా. A 8,350 into 12 months is to B ma with 4150 started up to 6 months ma, plus 500 taken back ma, nothing but ma 3650 into 6 months. Just check it that ma. Is there possibility? Is there can you get 32 is to 17 ma? There is no chance ma. Leave that. Go for next option. As per second option ma, if 45 is B and A should be 8,000. 8,000 into 12 nothing but ma 96,000. So 45 into 6 ma. 45 into 6 balance 4,000 into 6 ma. It is 24 and 27 ma. 24 and 27 nothing but 51. So 96 is to 51. Can you get ma 32 is to 17? Clearly ma 370 is 332 ma. Option B ma. Option B. Right ma. Next. Now we are looking ma 67 ma. Ratio between the speed of the car and truck is 5 is to 4 and truck takes 3.5 ma. It is 3.5 ma. 3.5 hours more than the car to cover 840 km distance. The speed of the train is 25% more than the average speed of car and truck. Then find what is the time train will cover 405 distance. So from the beginning set as car and truck speeds are in the ratio of 5 is to 4. Then times will be inverse of that 4 is to 5. And truck was taking 3.5 hours more than car. So difference for one part is 3.5 4 parts will be 14 hours. It is 17.5 hours. But train speed is 25% more than the average of car and truck ma. So train speed 25% more, nothing but 125%. That means 5 by 4th of speed, nothing but distance by time. Both are covering 840 only ma. So 840 by 14 plus 840 by 17.5 ma, nothing but 35 by 2. By 2 becomes into ma. Here ma 14 6 here ma 7 5 7 120s 5 2 so 24 into 2 ma 48 60 plus 48 ma 108 but average kabatti by 2 ma. So 5 by 4 into 54 250 and 270 by 4 ma. It is speed of the train. But question asking what is the time taken by the train? Time nothing but distance by speed. So 405 by 270 by 4 ma. So 405 into 4 ma 1620 by 270 ma. 1620 by 270. 27 లో 6 times ma 120 6 times nothing but ma option D ma 6 hours. Option D 6 hours. Next 75% take it as ma 3/4. So 4/16 ma 48% of x ma 48% nothing but ma 48 by 100 ma into x equals to 21/6 ma 216 by 10. 0 will cancel ma 48 ma 12 fours 12 ones 12 eights are 96 ma 4.5 into 10 ma x is nothing but ma 45. 56% of 75% ma nothing but 3/4 take it as ma 3/4 4 14 14 3 ma 42 percentage ma nothing but ma 42 by 100 into y 147 by 10 ma 0 will cancel ma 7 6 7 21 6 3.5 nothing but ma 35. Y value is 35 ma. But question asking ma 35% of 28% plus 5 ma 35% nothing 35 by 100 5 table 1 7 by 20 28 by 100 x plus y whole square ma 45 plus 35 by 80 square ma 6400. Double zeros anyway gets cancelled ma gets cancelled. All are in decimal format ma decimal format ma. So here ma 2 tens to 14s ma 2 tens to 14s ma. So 14 if you go through ma like digital sum, if you go through digital sum ma 5 plus 7 ma 12 sorry 7 into 5 ma 35 అంటే 8 ma the 10 అంటే 8 ma digital sum we have to get my 8 the 1 5 where will get by 8 ma 8 15 17 8 15 17 ma option A ma all of we can't get ma here 7 14 16 we can't get ma 8 to 15 17 1 plus 2 ma 1 plus 7 ma 8 option A ma 627.2. 69th ratio between 75% of A and 25% of B is 9 is to 5 ma 75% 24 ma anyway ma percentage will cancel ma 25 ones 25 threes ante 3A by B is equals to 9 is 5 3 threes ma so A by B ma 3 is nothing but 3 by 5 ma and B and C ma 8 is to 9 ratio ma. So if you take the A is to B is to C ratio ma A is to B ma 3 is to 5 and B is to C is nothing but ma 8 is to 9 24 40 and 45. 45% of A plus B plus C is 294.3. Then find the average of A and C ma. Question asking what about the average of A and C ma. 45% nothing but 45 and 1 nothing but 9 by 20 ma. 9 by 20 of A plus B plus C ma. 9 by 20 of A plus B plus C nothing but entire parts ma. For 20 40 60 100 105 109 some x అనుకుంటే 294.3 ma 2943 by 10. Anyways this 0 will cancel ma gets cancel 11 15 9 table will get ma 9 3 is 27 24 9 2 is 18 ma 63 9 so that's 109 3 times 3 into 2 ma becomes 6. So everyone is ma into 6 into 6 into 6. But question asking what is the average of A and C ma A and C 24 plus 45 ma and the 69 into 6 by 2 2 3s ma 6 9 3s and 180 207 ma option D ma 207 right pa. Next 70 ratio between the length and breadth of rectangle is 3 is to 2 ma length and breadth are in the ratio 3 is to 2 and between the breadth of rectangle and side of the square is ma 8 ma ratio between the breadth and side of square is 8 is 9. If the perimeter of rectangle is 8 centimeters more than the perimeter of square then find the area of rectangle ma area of rectangle ma area means length and breadth ma 3 into 2 ma 6 obviously the area value should be multiple of 6 6 table lo వచ్చేదిగా ఉంటుంది మా 6 table లో 6 fours 24 6 table lo we can't get 6 fours we can't get 6 6 are 36 24 ma chance is there option C 24 36 table రాదమ్మా 6 4 24 56 ma we can't get so no need to calculate ma directly option C ma 384 without calculation ma directly we can decide ma 384 right ma. Next 71 to 75 71 to 75 given below pie chart shows the percentage distribution of total income tax collection in crore collected in crores Indian government in 5 different years ma. Read that ma carefully ma. Here ma total ma how much income tax collected ma, that information ma from 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right ma. Now ratio between the total income tax to the corporate tax collected in all the given 5 years Indian government is 71. Income tax to corporate tax ma ratio 7:6. That should be careful. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి 7:6 బా. అండ్ ఇంకేం చెప్పాడు బా, percentage distribution for total corporate tax collected by Indian government is remains same as the percentage distribution of total income tax బా. కార్పొరేట్ ట్యాక్స్ కైనా ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ కైనా ఇవే మనకి ఇచ్చినది ఏంటని చెప్తున్నాడు, ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్. But ఇవే applicable in corporate because percent distribution for total corporate tax collected by Indian government remains same as percent distribution for income tax. రెండుకి సేమ్ పర్సెంటేజ్. టూ థింగ్స్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ కి కార్పొరేట్ ట్యాక్స్ 76 రేషియో, రెండింటి యొక్క పర్సెంటేజ్ మాత్రం సేమ్ అని చెప్పారు రైట్ నా. 71 ma, find the ratio between the total income and corporate tax collected by government in the year 2016 to the total income and corporate tax collected by the government in the year 2014 ma. సో ఇన్కమ్ ఒక రెండు కలిపి ఎక్కడ నుంచి చెప్తున్నా 2016 లో 2016 లో అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆబ్వియస్ మా 2016 లో ఇఫ్ అబ్జర్వ్ బా ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ అయినా కార్పొరేట్ అయినా 10% మా. సో దీంట్లో అయినా 10%, దీంట్లో అయినా 10% మా. ఓవరాల్ గా 10% ఆఫ్ 10% కామన్ బోత్ కేస్ మా. సో 7 + 6 13, 10% ఆఫ్ 13 మా. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మా టు ద ఇన్కమ్ అండ్ కార్పొరేట్ ట్యాక్స్ కలెక్టెడ్ బై ద గవర్నమెంట్ 2014 మా. 2014 మా 2014 రెండు చోట్ల 20 ఇక్కడ అక్కడ కామన్. సో 25% ఆఫ్ 13 ma. So anyway it gets cancelled ma. So 5 2s 5 5s. So what is the ratio ma? 2:5. 2:5 nothing but ma obviously option A ma. Option A ma 2:5 ratio ma. Now 72 ma. If the difference ma, question ma difference. The difference between the total income tax collected by government in the year 2017 and total corporate tax collected by the government in the year 2015 ma 1440 crores ma. Already we know ma incomes and corporate ma 7:6 ratio from the given information ma 7:6 ratio ma. So income tax of 2017 ma 30%. If you take it as ma 7x and 6x and తీసుకుంటే ma 30% of 7 nothing but ma 210% of x minus 2015 corporate tax ma 15% of 6x nothing but ma 90% of x. This is equals to he was saying ma 1440. 210% minus 90% 90% ma. That means ma 6/5. 6/5x equals to 1440 ma. 6 2 6 4 ma. 24 into 5 ma 1200. So that is ma 1200 ma. But question asking find the total corporate tax collected by government 2013 and 14 ma. 13 14 corporate tax ma 20 plus 25 ma 45%. 45% nothing but ma 9/20 into corporate ma 6 into already we got the x value as 1200 ma 1200. 0 cancel ma 2 3s 0 12 3s are 36 into 9 ma. 36 in 9 ma 270 plus 54 ma 324. So option B ma 3240. Next ma total corporate tax collected by the government in the year 2017 and 2015 together is what percent more than the total income tax collected by the government in the year 2013 and 15 ma. Corporate tax of 17 and 15 ma 17 30 15 ma 45% of corporate ma let us ma 6 part about 6x or we can take ma 6 also ma. And income tax ma 13 and 15 ma 13 and 15 ma 35% of 7x or you can take ma 7 also ma. So 35 7s ma 210 35 ma it is 245. 45 6 ma 240 plus 30 ma 270. How much more ma 50 25 more compared to 245 into 100 ma. All the options ma in mixed fractions ma we can roughly ma 10% ma 24.5 little bit more అంటే 10% కి very close 10 కంటే కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ ఉందమ్మా 10 కంటే కాస్త అబౌట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ మా. No need to clearly calculate ma. Right ma. Next right ma now we are looking ma 74. total corporate tax collected by the government in the year 2014 is 480 crores less than the total income tax collected by the government in the year 2017 ma. So income tax collected by government in the year 2017 కన్నా అది 480 crores less అని చెప్పాడు బా. సో income tax of 2017 మా 30% of 30% of 7x, that is minus corporate of 2014 ma 2014 25% of 6x. This difference, how much you're saying ma? 480 crores ma. So 25 6 ma, it is 150. It is 210. 210 minus 150 ma, 60% ma. 60% of x is 480 ma. Right ma? But the question asking, find the sum of total corporate and income tax collected by the government in the given 5 years ba. Total ba. Question total nothing but ma. What about ma 613x ma? What about ma 13x ma? Because 7 parts 6 parts ma. So overall 13x ma. 60% is nothing but ma 3 by 5. 116 ma 800 ma. X is 800 ma. So 13x nothing but 13 8 is 104. 104 means ma option E ma 10,400 ma. Next 75 ma. Total corporate tax collected by government in the year 2016 and 17 together is what percentage lesser than the total income tax collected by the government in the year 2013 14 15 together ma. Corporate of 16 and 17 ma. 16 17 10 30 ma. 40% of 6x. And income tax of 13 14 15 ma. 13 14 15 ma. 20 45 60 ma. 60% of 7x ma nothing but it is 420% ma. It is 240. How much less ma? 420 240 ma. 300 120 180 less. 180 by 420 into 100 ma. Anyway 0 cancel ma. 6 3 6 ma. 3 by 7 ma. 1 7 ma. 14 2 14 3 42. 42 6 by 7 ma. 40 to 6 by 7 ma. Option C ma. Option C. Right ma. Next 76 ma. Two pipes P and Q. Two pipes P and Q can fill a tank in 27 minutes and 18 minutes respectively. Pipe R can empty the same tank in 13 and a half minutes ma. If P and Q together can fill another tank M in 20 minutes ma. M in 20 minutes, then find in how many minutes that will be filled if all the three pipes are open to tank fill M. So first of all we need to find out what about M capacity ma. P and Q together taking ma to fill 20 minutes purpose M tank purpose ba. First we have to know that what about the M tank total worth ba. Now P can fill the tank in ma 27. Q can fill the tank in ma 18. LCM ma 20 and 18 ma 54. 27 3 times, 18 2 times ma. So every time it was 1 minute లో 3 units fill చేస్తుంది. ఇది 1 minute లో అంటే 1 minute లో combined గా they fill by 5 units ma. 1 minute లో 5 units fill చేస్తుంది. బట్ ట్యాంక్ నిండడానికి 20 minutes టైం పట్టింది మా. అంటే టోటల్ ట్యాంక్ కెపాసిటీ మా 20 into 5 ma 100 units. Tank capacity ma 100 units. Now ఈ tank ని if third pipe also opened in how much time they fill ma. R ma R 13 and a half అని చెప్తున్నాడు. 13 and a half కి it is ma 4 times but R was emptying ma. So minus. So in every minute low it was filling 3 units, it was 2, it was emptying 4 units ma. 3 plus 2 5 minus 4 ma. 100 by 1 nothing but 100 minutes ma. So entire tank will be filled in ma 100 minutes ma. Next, a man invested two amounts x and x plus 250 in two different schemes A and B and compounded at the rate of 10 and 20% respectively. First 10% ma, second one 20% ma. If the interest got from scheme A after 3 years is 164.5 lesser than the interest got from scheme B after 2 years ma. A for 3 A for 2 years ma. The find the amount invested by a man in scheme B ma. So here ma interest ma interest got by scheme A after 3 years 164.5 lesser than the B. B నుంచి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మా B అనేది 20% డ్యూరేషన్ 2 years కాబట్టి B నుంచి వచ్చే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మా 44% బికాస్ కాంపౌండ్. A మా 10% 3 years కాబట్టి ఆబ్వియస్ గా కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి విల్ గెట్ 33.1% ఇంట్రెస్ట్. ఈ రెండు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మధ్య వేరియేషన్ మా 164.5 అని చెప్తున్నా. సో బి if interest got from scheme A is after 3 is 164.5 lesser than the B ma. So ఇది తక్కువ మా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. సో ఈ డిఫరెన్స్ మా 164.5 చెప్తున్నాం. జస్ట్ మా we can go through option verification or one. So one is x, one is x plus 350 ma. Question asking B value అంటే మన ఆప్షన్స్ x plus 250 ఇండికేట్ చేస్తున్నాడు. x plus 250 మన ఆప్షన్స్ ఇండికేట్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఇఫ్ యూ గో త్రూ ఆప్షన్స్ మా అమాంగ్ ఆల్ ద ఆప్షన్స్ 250 లాగా స్ప్లిట్ అయ్యే ఆప్షన్ మా we can take either 700 either 750 అవి సింపుల్ ఆప్షన్స్ మా. ఇఫ్ నాట్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ద 750 మా x will be 500. x will be 500. ఆబ్వియస్ గా a అనేది 500 రూపీస్ మా, b అనేది 750 మా. సో అంటే 33.1% ఆఫ్ 500 and 44% of 750 ma. Difference we have to get from 164.5 if it is suitable. Otherwise go for 7 ma. 33.1 ma we can cancel ma. Here 5 33 5 times and ma 150 165. Here ma 44% ma 40 plus 4 75 4 times and 300 plus 30 ma 330. Difference ma here ma 165.5 ante 170 ma 34.5 164.5 clearly satisfying ma. Option C ma. Option C, right ma. Next, a bag contains 5 yellow 7 red balls. If 2 balls are drawn at random, find the probability being at least one should be red ma. At least one should be red and 1 red undachu 2 red undachu but 2 should not be yellow color ante 1 minus 5c2 by overall ma 12c2 because 2 should not be yellow color. 1 minus 5c2 but so 12c2 ma 12 into 11 by 2 factorial anyway common let's cancel ma 12 11s ma 132 5 4s ma 20 by 132 132 minus 20 ante 112 ma 112 by 132. Here ma we can cancel in 4 table ma 4 2s 4 8s 4 3s are 12 4 3s ma 28 by 33 ma. Option C ma 28 by 33. Next, a shopkeeper sold 2 articles. If he marked up second article 14.2 by 7% above the selling price of the first article and gives a discount of 20% on that, and then a loss of 20% occur on the first and 25% profit on the second article, find the total selling price of both articles ma. Total selling price of both articles if we made a total loss of 282 ma. First second ma 2 articles unnaya ma, first as well as second. Saying ma second article ma marked up second article 14.2 by 7% above the selling price of first one ma. Well first one selling price 7 అనుకుంటే మా దానికన్నా 1/7 ఎక్స్ట్రా అంటే 8 మా 1/7 ఆఫ్ దట్ అంటే 1 ఎక్స్ట్రా 7 plus 1 మా 8. ఇది మార్క్ ప్రైస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చెప్పాడు మా అండ్ గివ్స్ ఎ 20% డిస్కౌంట్. దీనిలో 20% డిస్కౌంట్ అంటే ఆబ్వియస్ గా 80% కి అమ్ముతుంది. 80% నథింగ్ బట్ ఫిఫ్త్ మా నథింగ్ బట్ 32/5 ఈ ప్రైస్ కి సేల్ చేస్తున్నాడు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మా హీ వాస్ గివెన్ దట్ మా అండ్ దట్ ఎ లాస్ ఆఫ్ 20% అక్కర్ దాన్ ద ఫస్ట్ అండ్ 25% ప్రాఫిట్ అక్కర్ దాన్ ద సెకండ్ మా. ఫస్ట్ 20% లాస్ వచ్చింది. 20% లాస్ వస్తుంది అంటే లాస్ కానీ ప్రాఫిట్ కానీ ప్రైస్ మా. ఇలా అమ్ముతున్నప్పుడు 20 లాస్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 80%. సో అంటే 5/4 బా. సో 5 35/4 కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ మా 35/4. ఇలా సేల్స్ 25% ప్రాఫిట్ అవుతుంది. 25% మా 125% నథింగ్ బట్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ మా 4/5 అంటే 128/25. అండ్ ఓవరాల్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ లో లాస్ ఆఫ్ 28 మా. ఓవరాల్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఎంత మా పడుతుంది ఓవరాల్ సిపి మా 35/4 ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎంత వస్తుంది 25 5 125 3 బ్యాలెన్స్ మా 3 బ్యాలెన్స్ అంటే 0.30 25 ones 25 5 balance 25 2s it is ma 4 is 32, 3 8.7. Overall cost price ma 13.78, 13.87. Overall selling price ma it is 6.4. 7 plus 6 ma 13.4. Nothing but ma 0.42. Sorry, 0.8 minus 4 ma 47 ma 0.47. The 0.47 is equals to ma 282. But question asking ma find the sale price of both ma. Sale price of both ma nothing but what about 13.4? What about ma 13.4 ma? Here ma 8040. Option A. Right ma. Question number 80 ma. A 120 meters long train crosses a pole in 4.8 seconds. And find in what time it will cross a platform whose length is ma 3 times of the train length ma. Train length purpose ma it was taking 4.8 seconds ma. Question asking to cross the platform length purpose ma how much time ma. So whenever length of the train ma it was taking 4.8 seconds. Whenever you need to cross the platform at that time, train length plus platform length ma. Train length plus platform. These purpose ma it was taking how many seconds? If it is one part ma, it should be four parts because platform is ma three times of train ma. This should be four parts. If one is 4.8 ma, four parts should be four times of that ma. Nothing but ma 48 by 16 plus 30 ma 19.2. Option A ma 19.2 seconds.